Today I'm going to share Bhumi Mangalam. Now I'm going to start Bhumi Mangalam, Bhumi Mangalam, Udaga Mangalam, Udaga Mangalam, Agni Mangalam, Agni Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Gagana Mangalam, Gagana Mangalam, Surya Mangalam, Surya Mangalam, Chandra Mangalam, Chandra Mangalam, Jiva Mangalam, Jiva Mangalam, Jagata Mangalam, Jagata Mangalam, Deha Mangalam, Deha Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu.
நல்லா இருக்குல்ல.